Welcome to Shine with Total.
We're learning together one small step at a time. Finally. Perfect.
I worked on that all day. I wish someone could just fix it. I figure no one's gonna listen anyway.
Shine! Actually, someone is listening. You just didn't ask the right way.
Wait, what do you mean?
Just then, a golden light shimmered over the water. A letter, and once again, it's a riddle.
I'm not a wish, I'm not a spell. I'm how you talk to the one above, a quiet word filled with hope and love. What am I? Is it a birthday wish? Or a coin in a fountain?
Nope. But I know exactly where to find the answer.
They traveled back to a story from long ago, deep in a stormy sea. A prophet of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala was trapped inside, alone in the dark. He couldn't fix it himself. He couldn't call anyone, but he could still do one thing. He made dua. لا إله إلا أنت سبحانك إني كنت من الظالمين. There is no God but you. Glory be to you. I have surely been amongst the wrongdoers. And Allah answered him right there in the dark, because dua is never ignored. Allah tells us himself in the Qur'an, call upon me, I am near. I respond to the call of the caller when he calls upon me.
So it's not just a wish, it's Ya Allah, and He actually hears me?
Whether it's a big dua or a small one, a messy sandcastle or a hard day, Allah always responds. Sometimes with a yes, and sometimes with even something better. Did you know? The Prophet ﷺ said, dua itself is worship. So asking Allah for even the smallest thing is already worship.
Ya Allah, help me build an even better one this time.
And that's the real blessing of dua. It's not just for the big scary moments. It's for every moment, because Allah is always listening. And now, say it with me.
Dua is talking to Allah. He is always near me. He hears every dua I make. I will make dua every single day.
Amazing, mashallah. So next time you want something, big or small, you know exactly who to ask.
Comment below and tell us one dua you will make today.
Tap subscribe and come shine with me.